For making potato masala or aloo masala for pani puri, we have taken 4 boiled potatoes. Now add the salt as per your taste. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Now add some roasted cumin seeds. You can crush the cumin seeds using your palm and add it. Add some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of green coriander chutney. Now mix everything well with your hands. Don't mash the potatoes completely. So now our potato masala is ready. So you can see that you can mash in such a way that some small size pieces of potato are visible. So now our potato masala is ready for pani puri. You can enjoy this potato masala by stuffing in the puris, and you can also add some whole black chanas which we have already boiled and enjoy with the pani puri's pani. The pani recipe is given in our other video. Check our other video for pani recipe for pani puri. So to enjoy the potato masala, you need to make a hole in it with your fingers. Now add some potato masala. You can also, if you like chana, you can add 1 or 2 chanas in it, and you can fill it with the water, and you can enjoy the pani puris. It really tastes very delicious and yummy.